So, I have the Dealertool. This is where you get that. Okay, I think it was like 120 bucks, which I know that sounds like a lot, but if you have a Triumph, okay, or a bike that's like specific like this, you send in your ECU. They have different plug or setups for different types of bikes. Okay? So you send them the one, you order the one you need, you send them your thing, and they send you back an access key for that bike. Okay, the first one is free. Everyone after that's like 25 bucks. Alright. I already took my bolts out, but there's two. You have to fold up the seat to get to the bolts. They go right here. Two little 5mm. See, they're right here. Alright, and then your plug is going to be tucked back in here because everything has to be hidden. We're going to take it, and we're going to plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. Okay? And go ECU data. Root ECU data. Oh, there we go. Kill switch on, ignition on. Oop, look at that. ECU's registered. Back to main menu. Oops. I don't think that's what I was supposed to do. Oh yeah, look, there we go. See, now we have all our options. We can see all of these things. See? Here we go. So, functions on support on the newer Triumph models. Service indicator. That's that little thing right there. It does not support the new Trident or the 2021 Speed Triple. Okay. So, and this you can set your your reminder to do your service. So what you do, well, this basically you have to do it to rewrite to clear the code or clear the run. So you set it to what you want to do. I do mine every 3,000 miles, so we're gonna take it back to that, or a year, sure. All right, miles per hour, because this is America. Rewrite instruments. Are y'all ready for this? I'm gonna try to see if I can show both at the same time. Click. Boop. What? What? Yeah. Service instrument service interval was updated. That's it. Back to main page. Ending connection. See? So we good there. See, and then this is your how you insert your key registration, all that good stuff. Yeah, that's it, guys. We Gucci. Turn that shit off. Turn the bike off. Unplug your Dealertool. That's all she wrote. It's that easy. Now we turn it on. Let's see what she says. Look at that. Just our mileage. She just gives us our mileage. No wrench. That's it, guys. We officially have changed the oil on the 2020 Triumph Daytona 765 Moto2 edition. It's officially done.